Have you ever wondered what MRI researchers do? Do you wish you could check out the MRI scanner? You aren't alone. The U of A has an MRI scanner in the basement of the Biosciences Research Building. The scanner is used morning, noon, and night for research. It's also worth millions of dollars, and it's very sensitive to changes in the environment. On top of that, it's such a strong magnet that we have to be really careful about who and what goes into the room. So, can you get a chance to look at it? Well, you can now through the MRI Scanner Virtual Tour. First, we enter the MRI console room. The researcher sits at the task workstation and controls audio-visual presentations to study participants. The presentations vary from simple entertainment to interactive tasks where participants answer questions with buttons or other mechanisms. Next to the task workstation, you see the MRI operator's console, where the MRI technician monitors and controls the proper operation of the scanner and various peripherals, like physiological monitoring equipment. On the wall, next to the console, there are several big red buttons that can turn off the power or even quench the magnet in an emergency. Now we're going into the scanner room. Because MRI scans are very sensitive to radio waves, the entire room is wrapped in copper. And because the MRI scanner is a giant magnet, you have to remove all metal before going in here. Take a moment to get oriented. You see the MRI scanner in the middle of the room and peripheral equipment around the edges. Let's walk around the room. First, we'll look at the patch panel. It allows cables to pass from the console room to the scanner room, but still blocks radio waves that would corrupt the scans. For example, 3 copper tubes, in the top center and bottom left and right, are designed to allow cables to pass through, but they also block radio waves. Around the edges of the patch panel, we can even see the copper shielding that's inside all of the walls. Behind the scanner, we see a display used to show visual stimuli to the participant, and an eye tracking camera. This specialized equipment is very expensive because it can survive in the strong magnetic field. From this corner of the room, we have a better view of the eye tracking camera. We also see a closet, which we can open to reveal a specialized coil for breast imaging and gear for MR elastography, which can create a visual map or elastogram showing the stiffness of body tissues. Again, you can see the exposed copper shielding that's inside the walls. If you want to know more, there's lots to explore and learn in the online virtual tour.